Hello, I'm Jay from Volunteer Audio, and today I'm going to tell you about an opportunity to get an amazing deal in this bike. So this is our 2023.5 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide. Volunteer Audio purchased this for development of new parts for the new body style. It served its purpose. We have built video after video. We videoed all the audio upgrades, the lighting upgrades, the exhaust upgrades. We've shown you so much through our channel, but it's time now for us to move on. We're going to get another new bike. We're going to start a whole nother series of videos, and that means now's the time for you to check out this bike. We're going to make somebody an amazing deal. So this bike cost us about $44,000 plus taxes when we bought it new. It has 107 miles on it. It is still new. All the factory updates have been done to the ECM, to the radio, all the software is up to date. But on top of that, most of the things you'd want to do to your bike, we have done. From Custom Dynamics Shark Demon headlight, to Custom Dynamics lighting on the latch lights, the blade lights, the filler lights, the new license plate mount. It has an excess power Titan 8 lithium battery that's $700. It has the Kenwood STZ camera system, front and rear. But on top of that, you know what we do here? Audio. It has the latest SeirenHD A2B interface. That's the 8-channel that retains the factory subwoofer. So 10 channels when you count the digital channels. The Hertz SP4.900 amplifier, 1,000 watt RMS, 2,000 watt peak. This thing screams, but it sounds so good musically. We upgraded to the Hertz SX165 Neo 6.5s, the 690H 6x9s. It's Hertz speakers all the way around with that Hertz amp, and it's perfectly DSP tuned. It is beautiful. It sounds amazing at any speed. On top of that, this is the bike that we helped develop our drop-in subwoofer. This is the Rockford Fosgate factory one, is the HD Audio by Rockford. We developed the interface to maintain these. So this bike has both factory drop-in subwoofers with the secondary amplifier, all tuned to perfection as well. Don't forget about the exhaust. We filmed it. You can watch it in the YouTube channel, the Chromeworks exhaust. We did the slip-ons from them. It sounds great on the exhaust. It sounds amazing on the audio. It looks great from the lighting, and it's got the best battery you can put in a bike. Upwards of $10,000 in accessories has been added to this bike. Paid 44 grand, added 10 grand worth of parts, didn't ride it hardly at all. And now it's your chance to buy it. We're asking $36,000. Now that's going to be firm. Don't try to lowball us, but if you want to buy this bike, give us a call at 1-844-30-AUDIO. Give my sales team a call, drop your information, I'll call you back. Somebody is going to save a bunch of money. Remember, I just told you, $54,000 worth of bike, $36,000. We can transfer this through our local dealership, so you still have the ability to add Harley warranties, Harley financing, any of that through Knoxville Harley-Davidson. We're going to be using them for that transfer. But it is ready, title's in hand, it's paid off, and it's ready to go to somebody's home. And if you come check this bike out in person, I am sure you're going to leave with it. Check out the video clips. We have all the step-by-step videos. This is history. This is Volunteer Audio's history. You can watch us do the full audio install. You can watch every light get installed. You can watch the exhaust get put on, and you know it was done to perfection. It was done right every step of the way. Tell me what you think about the bike, what kind of opportunity this is. I know this isn't everybody's favorite color. I really like it. To me, this is that James Bond feel. If I had an Aston Martin DB9, this is the color I would want. From the Eclipse accents on the wheels, to the heads, to the exhaust, to that platinum color. It's not meant to be the most flashiest. It's meant to be very classy, and I think they did a great job on this CVO. It's a great opportunity. I hope that one of you enjoys this bike much more than I've been able to, because as you know, we work, we don't get to do a lot of riding. And I hope to see this going down the road. I'd love to see some videos and some clips of somebody really having a great time with this beautiful machine. They're meant to be rode, they're not meant to be stored, and I'm ready for somebody to get it and start riding. Give us a call, 1-844-30-AUDIO. Somebody's getting a great deal. I hope it is you. Give us a call soon. Thank you for watching. God bless.